day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. This is it. DCeased Black Adam. Let's go! Okay, so we are looking at DC Heroclix DCeased Black Adam. Okay, so if you don't know, DCeased is the DC equivalent of Marvel Zombies, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, this particular product contains one pre-painted collectible miniature game piece, a promo figure from WizKids, exclusive figure of DCeased Black Adam. At the back, we have a bigger picture. This was released 2024 and for 14 years and up. Okay, and I got this item from the Christmas auction. Okay, so at that time, if you win a booster, Howard spins a wheel and you get a bonus item, and I was able to get the DCeased Black Adam. Okay, and we see, okay, it's a, is it smaller sculpt? I'm not so sure. Okay, but we have here DCeased Black Adam. Let's pop him out of the dial of the plastic. Okay, dial's a bit loose, but that's fine. And sculpt, let's see. Okay, okay, I like the tattered cloak. Okay, and yeah, the thunder effect for Black Adam as DCeased. Okay, it's nice. It's very dynamic pose, but let's see if the pose will translate to the dial. Black Adam is DCP24-010. Apocalypse, Secret Society of Supervillains, Monster, Mystical Past, Ruler, Warrior as keywords. So a lot of good keywords there. Meaning in terms of team building and free equipment like the longsword and or ring of telekinesis. He has a trait, and I think this is a shared trait among the DCeased figures. The first time Black Adam would be KO'd, you may instead turn him to click number 9. Okay, this click. If you do this game, he has when Black Adam would take damage from a game effect, he takes 1 unavoidable damage instead, and at the end of your turn, deal Black Adam 1 unavoidable damage. So he turns into a zombie, rise again, and then deteriorates until he's KO'd. So 75 points, as you can see, or 65 points, range of 4. Let's take a look at his long text back of the card. He has a special movement power, no mercy, charge, flurry, but may be given a range as free instead of one of the attacks. Okay, but he doesn't have improved targeting adjacent. Interesting. He can do pulse wave range. Interesting. And the attack power is the anti-life equation wrapped in lightning. Yeah, the anti-life equation is the one that caused the decision of the deceased DC characters. Pulse wave. When Black Adam uses it, hit characters can't heal until your next turn. Okay? And a special damage power, my people do not need compassion. Close combat expert leadership. When an opposing character attacks, if they could have targeted Black Adam but didn't, after resolutions deal them 1 penetrating damage. Protected outwit. Ooh. So you are semi-forced to attack Black Adam, whose real name is Tet Adam. DCeased Hope at World's End number 1, 2020 is the significant appearance. For 75 points, he starts off with special movement power, pulse wave, 18 invulnerable, and that special damage power. At 65 points, you're only losing actually the special defense damage power and replacing it with close combat expert. Okay, probably put a ring of TK to him. You can also use the images of Icon, I guess. Okay, for Black Adam because he's mystical. So to offer longevity. Okay, I would all Animal Man, of course, will always be a viable option for any figure. Okay, I haven't read the storyline, but it's cool. Okay, so we always want to see new figures, and this is a cool figure in sculpt, and yeah, a bit pricey for 75, but if you play multiple, like two at least, so to maximize that special damage power, I guess it might be worth it. But what do you guys think? Okay, share your thoughts in the comments, and until next time. Rawr.